चला.
Hello students, welcome to my new video, that is science video. Some students think science is very hard subject, difficult subject, but it is not difficult subject because science is so interesting subject. If you understand properly, then it is so interesting subject. So today's new topic, that is nutrition in plants. At first, we have to know nutrition. What is nutrition? Nutrition is the process by which an organism gets their nutrients needed for growth and development. There are two types of nutrients: heterotrophic nutrients and autotrophic nutrients. Photosynthesis is the what is photosynthesis? Photosynthesis is the process by which all green plants make their own food by using carbon dioxide, water, in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll. For this process, a equation is formed, that is CO2 plus water in the presence of sunlight with chlorophyll and provided glucose with oxygen plus oxygen, glucose and oxygen. For this process, there are following steps for this process. Number 1, CO2, carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide is one kind of gas. Carbon dioxide is taken in tiny pores of the leaves. Second, water. Water is absorbed by roots from the soil. And then chlorophyll. What is chlorophyll? The green pigment is called chlorophyll. This chlorophyll traps the energy from sunlight, and this is so important substance of the plants. And chlorophyll is present in leaves, in green leaves. This is glucose. Glucose is formed after this process. This glucose is transported to all parts of the plants, and excess glucose is converted into starch, which is stored in for a long time, which is stored in plants for a long time. Is heterotrophic. What is heterotrophic? It is one kind of nutrition where an organism depends on other plants or animals for their nutrition. And they, for example, some bacteria, animals and fungi, these are heterotrophic nutrition, and because they cannot make their own food, they depend on green plants directly or indirectly, so they are called heterotrophic. There are some kinds of heterotrophics are: number 1, parasitic plants. Parasitic plants, a parasite or an organism that gets their nutrition from other living organisms. For example, dodal plants and mistletoe. These two plants are example of heterotrophic, because in this case some plants modified their roots that help them to get nutrition from other organism. Second number insectivorous plants. Some kinds of plants that get nutrition by trapping and digesting the insects, and they get their nutrition. For example, pitcher plants and Venus flytrap. These two examples are insectivorous plants. Number third, saprophyte. Saprophytes means some organism that gets their nutrients from dead or decaying materials. These are saprophytes. For example, some bacteria and fungi are saprophytes because they depend on dead and decaying animals or plants, and they get their nutrition. Number four, symbiotic process. We see some kind of relationship in our environment. The relationship between two organisms that benefits both. This is symbiosis, and this kind of relationship is called symbiotic relationship. For example, rhizobium and lichen. Ribosome and lichen are the example of symbiotic relationship. So students, I hope you have liked this. You must like this video. It will be benefit for you. Next video will be very soon. Thank you for watching.